This is the FCTO Daily Forex News Report for the 14th of August 2013. The US dollar strengthened overnight as markets are starting to build a consensus that the Fed will taper the bond purchase in September. According to a Bloomberg survey, 65% of economists expect the Fed to reduce the $85 billion per month bond buying program. The expectation was also reflected in treasury yields, which saw 10-year yields jump to close at 2.715%, just shy of the 2013 high of 2.737%. 30-year yields also rose sharply to close at 3.56%, just shy of the 2013 high of 3.792%. The dollar index rose to as high as 81.879 overnight. However, note that the dollar index is still limited well below 82.49 resistance, and there is no confirmation of a reversal yet. Focus will remain on whether the dollar can extend the rally during the second half of the month. Euro sterling spiked lower to as low as 0.8354 last week, but quickly recovered back to above 0.8580. The main focus will be on UK job data and Bank of England minutes today. The central bank pledged last week to keep monetary policy accommodative until the unemployment rate drops to 7%. Bank of England Governor Mark Carney also emphasised that 7% is a threshold only and not a trigger. Also, the bank's inflation report showed projection that the unemployment rate won't break or drop below the 7% level at least until 2016. Any present surprise in the employment data would prompt speculation that the bank will normalise policies sooner. The Bank of England minutes will also reveal the vote outcome today. The vote for keeping rates unchanged should be unanimous and won't provide any surprise. Attention will be on whether policymakers voted unanimously to keep the asset purchase size unchanged at £375 billion. Other focuses today include Q2 GDP data from France and Germany, as well as the Eurozone. French GDP is expected to grow 0.2% quarter on quarter. German GDP is expected to rise healthily at 0.6%. The Eurozone as a whole is expected to pull out of recession, with GDP growing at 0.2% quarter on quarter. The Swiss will release producer price index data in ZEW, whilst the US will also release PPI data. For all the news affecting the Forex market throughout the day, join us at forexcurrencytradingonline.co.uk. That's forexcurrencytradingonline.co.uk.